Why is common law foundational to property law? Imagine a world where rules about who owns what are all over the place, changing from one place to another. It would be chaos. That's why having a clear system is so important. Common law is the backbone of property law because it creates the rules that tell us how property rights work. These rules come from decisions judges have made over hundreds of years. And like laws made by governments, common law evolves as courts interpret legal cases. This means the rules are built on real-life situations and court rulings. When it comes to property, common law helps us understand who owns what and how ownership can be transferred. It treats each person as a separate legal entity with rights over their property. This is key because it makes it clear who has the authority to sell, give away, or pass on property. Most of these rules started in England and have been passed down and adapted in countries that follow the common law system. Over time, courts have decided on many issues, like how someone can buy a house or what happens if two people claim the same land. These decisions set precedents that future courts follow, making the law more predictable. One big idea in common law property law is the concept of legal title. This is the official proof of ownership, usually recorded in public records. It helps courts decide who really owns a piece of property. For example, if two people claim ownership, courts look at the legal title to determine who is right. Common law also recognizes different ways people can own property. For example, tenancy in common means each person owns a part of the property and can sell or pass it on. Joint tenancy means all owners share equal rights, and if one dies, their share goes to the others. These different types of ownership are important because they affect how property is controlled and transferred. Courts use common law principles to settle disputes. If someone claims they own a property that someone else is using, judges look at past rulings and legal rules to decide who is right. This consistency helps keep property transactions fair and predictable. Knowing how common law shapes property law helps people understand their rights and responsibilities. Whether buying a house, settling a dispute, or planning an estate, these rules guide the process. They make sure property rights are respected and that transfers happen smoothly. In the end, common law is the foundation because it provides the rules, the precedents, and the structure for property rights. It keeps things clear, fair, and organized in the courtroom. Without it, managing property would be much more complicated and uncertain.